Welcome to this 15-minute yoga flow for backs. Let's begin by sitting in hero pose. Close your eyes and place one hand on your heart and one hand on your navel. Focus on your natural breath here, breathing in and out through your nose. Allow your body to relax and release any distractions from your mind as you breathe. Take one more full breath in. One more full breath out. Open your eyes and place your right fingertips behind you, and place your left hand on your right knee as you twist, gazing over to the right. Inhale as you untwist, returning back to center. Bring your left fingertips behind you and place your right hand on your left knee as you twist, gazing over your left shoulder. Inhale as you untwist, returning back to center. Interlace your fingers behind you and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Look up towards the ceiling. Exhale as you round your spine and bring the tip of your head down to the mat. We'll do 2 more rounds like this. Inhale, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your spine, bring the top of your head down to the mat. Take one more deep breath in. One more deep breath out. Release your fingers and extend your arms out onto the mat for an active child's pose. Start to make your way to tabletop, and we'll do a few rounds of cat-cow. Inhale, drop your belly, head comes up for cow. Exhale, round your spine, bring your chin to chest, cat. Keep moving and flow with your breath here. You can also turn your fingertips towards your body for flipped wrist cat. Take one more round of cat-cow. Then bring yourself to a neutral spine. Curl your toes beneath you and send your hips up and back for your first downward facing dog. Bend and straighten your legs here to stretch out your calves and hamstrings. Find stillness with your legs. Then step your right foot outside of your right wrist for lizard. Lower your hips down and bring your left knee down to the mat. You can choose to have both hands down onto the mat or lowered down onto your forearms. Continue to take deep breaths here. Start to bring the outer edge of your right foot down and push your right knee away from you for twisted lizard. Bring your right foot back down onto the mat and place your hands on the inside of your right foot and step your right foot back for downward facing dog. Inhale as you step your left foot outside of your left wrist and lower your right knee down to the mat for lizard. Start to bring the outer edge of your left foot down and push your left knee away from you for twisted lizard. Return your left foot down and place your hands on the inside of your left foot and step back to downward facing dog. Lower your knees, chest, chin down to the mat and flip over the tops of your feet. Place your forearms down onto the mat for sphinx pose. Focus on your breath here. Start to press into your hands and straighten your arms for seal pose. Start to lower your forearms back down. Then tent your fingertips outside of your mat. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and lower your forehead down to the mat. Inhale, press into your fingertips and lift your chest and forehead off the mat. Exhale, lower your forehead back down. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, lower down. Take one more inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, lower back down. Place your hands down by your rib cage. Take an inhale as you lift your chest up for a low cobra. Keep a bend in your elbows and squeeze your shoulder blades back. Lower your forehead back down. Take another inhale, lift your chest up for a low cobra. Exhale as you lower back down to the mat. Place your hands down by your sides with your palms facing up. Inhale as you lift your chest and lower legs off the mat for locust. Continue to breathe deeply here. Lower back down to the mat. Inhale as you lift your chest and lower legs off the mat for locust. See if you can lift yourself a little higher this time. You can even interlace your fingers behind you and squeeze your shoulder blades back. Exhale as you lower back down onto the mat. Bend your elbows and stack your palms underneath your forehead for crocodile pose. Breathe and connect with your breath here. Start to turn your head to the right, laying on your left cheek. Bend your right leg and bring your right knee close towards your chest for flapping fish pose. Continue to take slow, deep breaths here. Begin to straighten your right leg back down and switch sides, laying on your right cheek, and bend your left knee in towards your chest. Take slow, deep breaths here. Start to straighten your left leg back down and place your hands by your rib cage and bring yourself up into tabletop. Curl your toes beneath you and sit back onto your heels. Begin to lift yourself up onto your knees and place your hands onto your lower back. Push your hips forward as you lean back for camel pose. You can keep your neck engaged or drop your head back. You can also bring your hands down to the back of your heels. Continue to breathe deeply here. Start to return your hands to your lower back and sit onto your heels to connect with your breath. Bring your legs out in front of you and extend your right leg out. Bend your left knee and place your left foot outside of your right knee. Place your left fingertips down behind you and wrap your right arm around your left leg as you twist over to the left. Inhale as you untwist, returning back to center. Extend your left leg down and plant your right foot outside of your left knee. Bring your right fingertips down behind you and wrap your left arm around your right leg as you twist over to the right. Inhale as you untwist and bring your right leg down onto the mat. Bend your knees and lower down onto your back. Lift your left foot off the mat and place your left ankle on the outside of your right knee for figure 4. Bring both hands to your right shin or to the back of your right leg. Start to reach your left arm out to the side. Bring both legs over to the right side and place your right hand on your left knee. Begin to untwist and bring both feet down onto the mat. Keep your left leg bent and place your right ankle on the outside of your left knee. Place both hands to your left shin or the back of your left leg. Start to reach your right hand out to the side and bring both legs over to the left and place your left hand on your right knee. Start to untwist and return both feet down onto the mat. Hug your knees in towards your chest and bring your knees to your nose. Scrunch up your face, scrunch up your entire body, and squeeze everything together. Take a deep inhale. And exhale as you release everything down to the mat for your final resting pose, Savasana. Turn your toes out to the sides and allow your palms to face up. Give gratitude to your mind, body, and your breath for showing up today for your practice. You can choose to end your practice here or stay as long as you'd like. Thank you for practicing with me today.